Number 1. 1967 Ford Highboy F-250 four-wheel drive, $8,800, Litchfield Park, Arizona. This 1967 Ford F-250 Highboy represents one of the most desirable configurations of Ford's legendary Highboy series. Equipped with an 8-cylinder gasoline engine and manual transmission, this short flatbed dually four-wheel drive truck is currently not running and will require mechanical recommissioning, including brake service and engine tuning. The seller notes completely rust-free steel with no rot, which is highly significant for a truck of this era, especially one sourced from a farm environment in southern Arizona. Highboy models are increasingly collectible due to their divorced transfer case setup and tall stance. Once restored to running condition, values typically rise substantially, making this a promising builder project with strong upside potential. Number 2. 1978 Ford 1-ton pickup, $8,950, Ceres, California. This 1978 Ford F-350 is a rare single-owner truck, retained for 48 years in Northern California. Powered by a 6.6-liter, 400-cubic-inch, 8-cylinder gasoline engine, paired with an automatic transmission, it remains a solid daily driver with 135,000 miles. Power steering, power brakes, and heater are fully operational. Minor rust is noted under the windshield and in the bed area, and the truck requires a new front windshield. Long-term single ownership and documented dealership servicing significantly enhance its appeal. Heavy-duty Ford trucks from the late 1970s are gaining collector recognition, particularly in original, unmodified condition. Number 3. 1973 GMC K1500 four-wheel drive long bed, $6,000, Seattle, Washington. This 1973 GMC K1500 long bed features a 350 cubic inch small block 8-cylinder engine with a 3-speed manual transmission. With 86,542 miles showing, it includes four-wheel drive with locking differentials, a winch, and a work rack. The truck is described as solid with minimal rust, an impressive attribute for a Pacific Northwest vehicle. Replacement doors and tailgate are included, along with an additional bench seat. Early square-body GMC trucks are valued for their durability and simple mechanical design, making this example a versatile classic utility truck with restoration potential. Number 4. 1977 Chevrolet C20 Scottsdale, $7,000, Bisbee, Arizona. This 1977 Chevrolet C20 Scottsdale long bed is powered by a 5.7-liter, 8-cylinder gasoline engine and automatic transmission. With 995,000 miles, it reportedly runs very well and has received extensive recent maintenance. New components include tires, shocks, mufflers, brakes, master cylinder, carburetor with choke, radiator, fuel filter, air filter, and suspension bushings. The Scottsdale trim level added comfort and appearance upgrades during the square body era. This truck presents as a dependable driver with strong mechanical refurbishment already completed. Number 5. 1977 Chevrolet K20 Custom Deluxe, $9,250, Verrado, Arizona. This 1977 Chevrolet K20 Custom Deluxe long wheelbase four-wheel drive truck retains its original 350 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, showing 77,707 miles. It remains a running and driving example with a clean Arizona title and long-term ownership history. Features include a cast iron transfer case, locking hubs, dual fuel tanks, and a 4-inch suspension lift on 32-inch tires. While minor rust exists in the floorboards and a windshield replacement is needed, the truck has been stored undercover for 14 years. Originality is increasingly valued in square-body four-wheel drive models, enhancing this truck's long-term collector appeal. Number 6. 1972 Chevrolet Cheyenne C10, $14,000, Alvord, Texas. This 1972 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne represents the final year of the highly sought-after 1967 to 1972 body style. Powered by a 350 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission, it features a recreational vehicle camshaft and an Edelbrock carburetor. Factory air conditioning has been upgraded to a modern refrigerant system and blows cold. Auxiliary cooling fans and a refreshed interior enhance usability. The Cheyenne trim level was among the most upscale offered at the time. This example combines classic styling with practical drivability, making it highly desirable among collectors. Number 7. 1979 GMC Sierra 454 Heavy Half, $13,500, Perris, California. This 1979 GMC Sierra Classic Shortbed is equipped with a factory 454 cubic inch big block 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. Matching number status and original paint increase its authenticity and collector interest. Although it requires minor mechanical attention, including transmission vacuum modulator and brake work, it runs and drives. Big block square body trucks command premium attention in today's market. This example offers a strong foundation for restoration or preservation with original patina. Number 8. 1972 Ford F250, $11,500, Vacaville, California. This 1972 Ford F250 features a professionally rebuilt 390 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine, upgraded carburetor and ignition, rebuilt transmission, and highway-friendly rear axle gearing, completed within the last 20,000 miles. It also benefits from modern air conditioning, suspension updates, and interior improvements. Despite minor cosmetic flaws, it remains a solid and comfortable dent-side-era cruiser. Number 9. 1971 GMC 1500 Factory Big Block, $12,500, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1971 GMC 1500 is powered by a factory 402 cubic inch 4-barrel big block 8-cylinder engine paired with a turbo-hydromatic 400 automatic transmission. Equipped with power steering, front disc brakes, dealer-installed air conditioning, and a 12-bolt rear axle, it offers strong performance for its era. The body, frame, floors, and rockers are reported to be in very good condition. Big block half-ton trucks from this generation are relatively scarce and increasingly collectible, particularly in solid, unmodified form. Number 10. 1969 Chevrolet C20, $12,500, Tucson, Arizona. This 1969 Chevrolet C20 blends classic styling with modern upgrades. 4 years ago, it received a new 350 horsepower fuel-injected crate engine, aluminum radiator, serpentine belt system, ceramic-coated headers, and dual exhaust. A 4-speed overdrive automatic transmission was installed 1 year ago, significantly improving highway drivability. Additional upgrades include air conditioning, power disc brakes, and suspension maintenance. With 110,669 miles showing and rollover indicated, this truck offers vintage appeal with contemporary reliability. Number 11. 1966 Ford F100 Custom, $13,500, Hood River, Oregon. This 1966 Ford F100 Custom features a two-tone burgundy and white exterior and a recently refurbished 352 cubic inch, 5.8-liter 8-cylinder engine from S&J Engines, with warranty documentation included. Approximately 1,000 miles have been driven on the rebuilt engine. Although the odometer is stuck at 200,000 miles, the mechanical refresh significantly enhances reliability. Mid-1960s Ford pickups are prized for their clean body lines and durable construction. With a manual transmission and fresh engine work, this example presents as a strong classic driver with lasting value.